A cozy kitchen with the morning sunlight filtering through the curtains. The table is set with plates, utensils, and a delicious spread of breakfast items. Good morning, Meheran. Did you sleep well? Good morning, Ibrahim. Yeah, I did, thanks. How about you? Not too bad. I had trouble falling asleep last night, but I managed to get some rest eventually. Maybe you should try some relaxation techniques before bedtime, like deep breathing or reading a book. It might help you sleep better. That's a good idea. I'll give it a try tonight. So, what's on the breakfast menu today? Mom made Bangladeshi parota, vegetable fries, scrambled eggs, and there's some fresh fruit too. It smells amazing. Yum, I love Mom's vegetable fries. They're the best. How's school going? Any exciting plans today? School's good. I have a history test later, but I feel pretty confident about it. And after school, I'm meeting up with a friend to work on a group project. That sounds cool. Need any help with the project? Thanks for offering, but we've got it covered. You should focus on your own stuff too, you know. Yeah, you're right. I've got a math quiz today. Not my favorite subject, but I'll manage. You're great at math, don't worry too much. These are delicious. See, told you they're the best. Oh, by the way, do you remember we have that family gathering on Saturday? Yeah, Grandma's birthday. We can't forget that. What should we get her as a gift? I was thinking we could get her a nice photo album and fill it with pictures of the whole family. That's a lovely idea. She'd adore that. Let's go shopping after school today and find a beautiful album. Deal. And maybe we can get her some flowers too. Grandma loves those. Perfect. It'll be a wonderful surprise for her. So, have you heard from Sam recently? Not since last week. He's been busy with his new job. But I'm planning to call him tonight and catch up. You should. It's been a while since we all hung out together. Maybe we could plan a movie night soon, definitely. I'll talk to Sam about it tonight. It'll be awesome to have everyone together again. I can't wait. Oh, and remember that book you borrowed from me? I need it back before the weekend. Oh, right, sorry. I'll get it for you after breakfast. I got so engrossed in it that I forgot to return it. No worries, just don't lose it. It's one of my favorites. I promise I'll take good care of it. These were amazing, Mom. Thanks, you're welcome, sweetheart. I'm glad you enjoyed them. Thanks, Mom. They were delicious. I should start getting ready for school. Yeah, me too. We don't want to be late. Thanks again for the breakfast, Mom. You're both welcome. Have a great day at school, and good luck with your tests. Thanks, Mom. See you later and remember to return that book, I won't forget. Have a great day, sis. See you at dinner, see you.